Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the Rlaarlo AK787. Ooh, we made some improvements. I hope this was worth it. Look at that. Not one, but two motors. Not one, but two ESCs. Don't worry, the build will be coming up on the bench series before long, but check it out. We got it converted to dual motor. So I'm going to be running it on 3S First. I know these are small, but this is the only battery I have with the right connector. And if that works, and I feel like going faster, we'll bust out the 4S. So let's see what it's got. Ah, man, gotta have the good luck sip. So let's see here. We're gonna 1 mile. So start. It's reading. Nothing gets your blood flowing quite like a speed run. Whew. Here it goes. Full throttle. Man, she just so straight. Oh, that's what I did last time. I didn't judge my speed and I turned. That's right. Ah, dang it. That's what I did last time, I think. I can't tell that it wasn't stopped. And I went to turn around, so I turned the wheel all the way and it shoots it off because it's not at a complete stop. I gotta try to work on that. Because the problem is I have so much exponential dialed in. It's really a lot to turn around, so I need to swing. But wow, like you need your dump truck to be that loud. I don't want to break the footage. That way nobody could say, but I don't know, what do you think? And to me, well, I guess because we're only on 3S. I think the last time 3S was around like 45, 48, and then going to 4S got a 68. So now with dual motors, what do we think? See, that sucks, it's right there. Oh, well, of course, now that I can see it, yeah. Oh man. All right, let's bring it here so I can read the dang speed. And see how it's locking? I even put some exponential in the throttle and braking, and it's still. All right. 83. 83, not bad. Now can we break 100 on 4S? I guess we shall go find out. Well, this really is not ideal, is it? I did not account for that these packs would be too fat to fit in the body, so I don't know what to do. take a good luck sip and hope for the best. 5 miles an hour. Oh, I hope aerodynamically it doesn't throw a fit. And whoa, 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 we hit something, we hit something, hit something. I was just getting on. Full speed there, and we hit a rock or something. I didn't want to chance it, so I backed out of it. All right, let's. Jeez. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my golly. Wow. Oh shit. Yeah, it lifted. Damn. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to come up with a thinner 4S battery and try it again. Matter of fact, I meant to bring tape down the body for this, but I think, you know, at 100 it should be okay without taping it. But oh man, dude, that thing would not stop spinning. Golly, I hope the car's okay. Oh man, that's the thing with speed running. You never know. Like this, at that speed, I could have hit this rock. Oh boy. I wonder if I even still got GPS. Normally I use the RCAWD garage GPS holder, but you really can't do it on this. Oh man, the body. Well, let's see. Lost the mirror. Damn. GPS is still there. It's not spinning. Oh, look at that. I lost the grub screw out of the wow, and that was Loctited. Yeah, it's just a spinning. That's why it's making all that noise. Ooh. I think. Yeah. Yeah, that's what happened. That grub screw came out. Well, I'll be damned, the car's okay. We can pop this thing back. Pretty. The nice thing is you can buy just headlights. All right. No way. Oh, the mirror. Oh, thank you. Do we have Bluetooth connection? I can't tell. I don't see any status up here. This stupid app, man. See, that thing's on. It even says we have Bluetooth, but it's not freaking responding. Well, I got a stick in here to hit reset. 5 miles an hour. Oh. It's really gonna suck if I lost it. I crashed and had no record of the speed. 42. That could be it, although I doubt it. 41. It didn't record any data from today. July 13th is the last. Yeah, I'm screwed. It has nothing. This is August. There is nothing here. Well, everyone, that's unfortunate. I don't even have a speed to where it went off, but I'll be back. I'm gonna get the proper batteries, and I'll make sure I get the proper plugs, so I'm not using these connectors. We'll just got to find something a bit narrower. 4S, and should be back. The only other thing I found, I broke the horn here on the servo. Oh, the whole servo came loose. So yeah, oh yeah, look at that. I don't understand how when that thing went airborne, it made that grub screw pop out, but anyhow, that's an easy fix. So grub screw, servo horn, the right batteries. This thing, I really wish somebody come out with a better one, because these things are just, I'm so over these things. But it's the only game in town. What are you gonna do? Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching the first run and crash of my poor 787. Oh, this poor wing. I'll probably just get a new wing. I don't know. Well, it's kind of pointless on speed test cars to buy stuff, because it's just going to probably crash and scratch it up again. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed. We will be back for a 4S run, and hopefully that'll come out better. I believe it will. Just that body, yeah, that was just asking for trouble. Probably should have tried it without the body, but lesson learned. All right, everyone, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much for the support. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. Check out the links below for some discounts and ways to help the channel so I can fund this stuff, like shopping my Amazon store, or just using my store to shop Amazon. You don't have to buy stuff. It helps me out. All right, well, thanks for watching. See you next.